it's mid-month August. Not really a lot to say about mid-month point. However, I have got something for the end of month coming up. Kind of some surprises. I've got a new credit card with 0% interest for 9 months and then 19 something after that. So what I've done is I'm transferring Merrick Bank over to it and canceled. I've already canceled Merrick Bank, so the 18th payment, or the payment on the 18th, doesn't actually have to be paid. So that card is paid off and gone. I will update the bills board accordingly. And I also have somebody sent me a small check that I went ahead and used to finish. I had some money saved, but not a lot. So I kind of used that check to buy the new camera. Hopefully that will work out better and I'll pay that back quicker, because what I was saving for the camera is actually considerably more than the payments on that check. So I can put that toward that check and pay it off a little earlier, but get the camera a little quicker. And therein lies the problem of why we all go in debt. We have to have it quicker. But anyway, that's pretty much it for the middle of August. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already done it, because I could really use the subscribers. Ring the bell if you want to, you don't have to. And give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Give me a thumbs up if you didn't like the video. Just give me a thumbs up. Or down, or both. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.